What's up guys, Dasmini here and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing video. Look what came in the mail today. My PinchMe box. I've been waiting for this for the longest time and it finally came today, so I'm so excited. It takes like a couple weeks for you to receive your package, so I actually forgot what I'm even getting, so let's go ahead and open this this way. Let's see what's in the box. I feel like I opened this the wrong way, but it's okay. I'll make it work. Nevaeh. Okay, so let's see what I've got. Oh, all kind of stuff. So I'm gonna take everything out. The top came out. So like you guys saw, PinchMe box. I unboxed it, and right now they gave me Think Thin protein and probiotics. Ooh. Is 20g protein, 1 billion probiotics, high in fiber, and it's Belgian chocolate. Nevaeh, you're not getting those. Belgian chocolate. Ooh. And you guys on the back, protein, fiber, probiotics, everything like that. I was just talking about more healthy stuff, so there's that. I'm excited to try that. Next, it is this. It says this one's for kids. So Nevaeh, you can have some. 2 egg whites, 4 almonds, 5 cashews, 1 date, and no bad stuff. I think I'm allergic to cashews because I got this last time and I start getting that feeling in my mouth where it's like that feeling. So I'm probably not, but I'll let Nevaeh have it, or I'll ask if Anthony wants some. So there's that, which I'm excited. Then I got the Dove exfoliating body polish. This is can I talk? Crushed macadamia and rice milk. Ooh, exfoliating body polish. Yes, honey. Ooh, silky smooth skin. Ooh, yes. When I take a shower, I'm definitely gonna be using this. Brand new from Dove, and I absolutely love Dove. I usually get like the Dove hand soap and stuff like that, so this is something new. Definitely will be trying that. Next, they gave me this, which I was so excited to try. Y'all, when I saw they were sending this to me, I was so excited. This is the Makeup Forever Professional Ultra HD Foundation, and I got to pick my shade. Ooh, sorry for my nails, y'all. That is so disrespectful. But look, you guys, the Makeup Forever HD. And as you guys know, I usually use powder foundation. I am currently using the Avon foundation, which you guys can see in my Avon review. I'll also link that below if you guys haven't seen it. But now I'm about to be all about that Makeup Forever life. Yes, Ultra HD. I'm so excited, and it just has a little pump right there. And I would, if you guys want to see a review on how this looks on my skin tone, let me know, because I think it'll be a good match. Actually, I'm really excited to watch this. And I have hyperpigmentation, so I want good coverage. So excited for that. Yay! Next is the, they gave me some Garnier Fructis Whole Blends, the Shampoo Conditioner set, and it smooths and hydrates. And yeah, I don't think I've ever tried this. I'm due for wash day pretty soon, so I definitely will be using this. I have tried Garnier Fructis before, but not this particular one, so I'm excited for this. All the information on the back just has oat milk and rice cream extracts. Wow, they going in with these products. They do getting better and better. Then of course, I didn't know they were gonna send me this. What is this? Nice and easy change is in the hair. Oh, the Clarion. Oh, I could use this on Nevaeh. It's a little, I took it off. It's a little hair ties. This is Clarion. Little hair tie right here. Oh, and I got a free box. Ooh, and they gave me a coupon for a free box of hair color. Yes, honey. PinchMe. Y'all outdid yourself with this box. This is probably the best box I've gotten from PinchMe yet. I absolutely love it. Then they gave me some coupons. This is the a free box of Better Snacks Grays. Ooh, I get a free box of snacks, and it has all these really nice snacks in it. Yes, I sure will. I sure will. Okay, next, this little coupon is $5 off any protein and probiotic powder. Maybe I don't use like powder and stuff like this. Maybe my husband might use this, but right there shows you guys $5 off that coupon. So that's it for this PinchMe box. This box is my favorite box ever. And one more thing before I end this vlog. This has nothing to do with PinchMe, but you guys, I just got another package in the mail. And I got one more pack. No, one more, 2 more. I think two more packages that's actually coming, so stay tuned for more hauls. Or should I just save this for my next haul? Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. I'm going through something. I'll just save it for my next haul. Yeah, I'm doing too much because I got like 3 more things that's coming, and I just want to do it all in one video. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, or if you guys would like to get your own PinchMe box, make sure you go check out the description box. I will have a link for you guys to get your very own PinchMe box for free. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you aren't subscribed already, make sure you hit that subscribe button for more videos. I can't talk today. It's okay. They didn't take my blood. But you guys stay tuned for more videos, and I'll see you guys in my next one.